Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video and subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, kindly press your subscribe button. At this point, we have over 300 videos on our channel. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice: mathematics, physics, chemistry. Just in case you want to reach us, you want to make a comment, you want to request for our online class, you can comment below, or you make use of this line. Now, you can do three things with this line. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. Either of the three. Okay, by the end of this video, you will understand. Okay, now in this video, I'll be working you on a percentage increase. Percentage increase. Outline. This is a course, that is very, very broad, and I've tried to simplify it. The outline number 1, percentage increase. Outline number 2, percentage discount. 3, percentage lost. 4, percentage commission. 5, percentage higher purchase. 6, percentage exchange. Now, by the end of this video, you will understand percentage increase. I'll be working on percentage increase, which I'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 video on this section, on this percentage. But on this video, I'll be basically working on what? Percentage increase. By the end of this video, you will understand the meaning of what percentage increase and even definition of percentage itself. You will understand it clearly. Now, when we talk about percentage, and don't forget that percentage is arithmetic or commercial part of mathematics, or business mathematics. You call it business mathematics or commercial part of mathematics. Don't forget that. And note, in this word percentage means ratio of 100. That is just it. Ratio of 100. Now, it means I'm talking about x. For instance, x all over 100. It also interprets as s%. Now, if somebody is telling me 25%, it means I'm talking about what? 25 all over 100. Take note of that. Which I can also say that what? I can take it to, this is a word percentage, and this is a ratio form. I can also take it to decimal form, which is 0.25. Now, it's a decimal form, it's a ratio form, it's a fraction form, and is in percentage form. All these things need to be what? Understand very well before we go into word problem part of it. And when you start a word problem on a percentage, calm down, don't rush in, don't rush out. When you calm down, you will see the question very well and very clear to you, and it will be very easy for you to be handled. Now, when I have this type of problem, for instance, let me illustrate by one problem from my head, 2016. Now, permit me to write the question down. Okay, look at this question. The question says, the monthly salary of a man increased from 2,700 naira to 3,200 naira. Find the percentage increase. Don't forget that this video I'll be working on increase. Now, let's try to work on this particular problem. Now, don't forget, find the percentage increase. That is number 1. And there are increase from this to this. If I were you, I'll just have what? percentage increase, it will be equals to 3,200 minus 2,700, final minus initial, which is all over 2,700. That is how to find increase. Yes, all over 2,700 naira multiplied by what? 100. That is the percentage increase. Don't forget final minus initial all over what? The initial. That is very, very important, which I will be talking about. 500 naira divided by 2,700 multiplied by 100. That is very, very important. If I start cut off and with help of my calculator, I will have it to be equals to 18.5%. That is the what? That is what you need to do. Now, don't forget this thing. Very, very important. That is the law. That is the logic behind this word problem. The final minus initial, all divided by what? Initial multiplied by what? 100. Take note of that very, very well. Now, let me try to give more examples on increase. Okay, look at this question. Look at this question. It's a very nice question that let's see how it will go. The question says, when the salary of a man was increased by 20%, he was earning 48,500 naira. What would be his salary if the increase had been by 26%? It's a very nice question, and let's see how it will go. Now, the first question is when the salary of a man was increased by 20%. 20%. Now, let the salary be what? Because you don't know it, the X. That's very, very important. Now, and in 100%, take note of that. Now, when increase by 20%, it will be 120, because 100 increase, which is 20 of increase, which is 120 degree. Now, therefore, I'll be talking about 120% of X equals to the amount of money, which is 48,500. That is very, very important. Now, it means I'll be talking about 1 divided by 100 multiplied by X equals to what? 48,500 naira. Now, I'll be talking about my X will be equals to, I divide or multiply both sides by 100 all over what? 120. It means I'll be having 48,500 multiplied by what? 100 divided by 120. Take note of that. Now, with the help of my calculator, now if I press my calculator, I'll be having my X will be equals to 4. Let's cancel this. Now it will be 40,416.76 when I press my calculator. That is what I'm having. Now, after that, I will now continue. Now, after that, what I will now do next is that we are talking about 26%. Now, If this increase has been it means 26%. It means I'll be having now my hairs. It means the salary is 40,400 and some 416.6 naira. That is the salary. Now, this is the increase. Now, how do I get my increase? The same way, it means I'll be talking about what? 126% of don't forget the same thing. What I did here is what I'm doing here also. Now 120 of 4,000, 40,000. Yes, that is the amount of money we are talking about. Okay, of that, which is 0.667. Now it means I'll be talking about 126 all over 100 multiplied by 4,000. 40,000 of points. Now that is what I will do. By so doing this, I'll be having now. Don't forget that calculator will be of help. Now, by so doing this, I'll be having it will be 50,900. Sorry about that. It will be 50,960. 926. That is the increase. That is the increase. Don't forget that 100 plus 26 will generate the what? Increase. Don't forget that. Which is what I did here also. That is what we are looking for. That is your answer. That is your answer. Now let me try to give one more or two or more examples before I go to discount. Now, look at this very nice question that somebody can ask you. If 3% of K equals to M, find 1% of K. Now, I saw this question somewhere and I was like, look at this very good question. Let me explain it to my student. Maybe they will be able to. Let me explain this type of question. You are looking for 1%. 3% of K is M. You are looking for 1%. Now, look at this solution. The first thing you need to do, 3% of K equals to M. Now, it means 3 all over 100 multiplied by K equals to M. Now, interpretation, my K equals to what? M multiplied by 100 all over 3. Please take note of that. I'm just multiplying both sides by the inverse of what is there. Please take note of that. You should know by now, if you are a real student of us, you should know how to handle numbers very well. Now, that is my K, which I'll be talking about. It implies 100M all over 3. 100M all over 3. Now, you are now looking for 1% of K. What you just need to do, it means I'll be talking about what? 1 all over 100 multiplied by K, which it means, what is my K? This is my K. My K is equals to this. 1 all over 100 multiplied by 100M all over 3. Please, this can be your, it can be exam, you can meet it somewhere. Take note of that. It means 100 will cancel 100. Now, it means 1% of K will be equals to 1 all over 3M. That is the interpretation. That is the interpretation. Can you see? This can come in form of any, it can come in form of word problem. When you see something like this, just calm down, cool down your mind, and it will surely be fine with it. Oh, I will be stopping on increase here. On my next video, I'll be working on that discount. Please take note of that. I'll be working on discount. By now, you should be able to understand any increase, any form of question on increase. Don't forget you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video and subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, kindly press your subscribe button for direct updates. Once again, thanks for watching.